Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI 2.0. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo diesel. For wheels we've got 16-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our TDI badging, as well as Jetta. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside. We've got power windows. Fender audio system. Our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a touchscreen media display. Heated seats, climate control, automatic transmission. This Volkswagen Jetta has 86,561 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen Jetta TDI, check out feldmannimports.com.